Hello, class. This is Teacher Aldea. Today we are going to ask ourselves, what is an adjective? So we've already heard about this word in class, but this video is to help you remember what is an adjective. Okay, here we go. First, as review, let's remember what is a noun and what is a verb. If you remember, a noun can be a place, a person, a thing, or an animal. So really, a noun can be anything. For example, let's go with rainbow. Remember, with nouns, we need to always put a or un. So here we have a rainbow, but we can also say the rainbow. If we have many, we need to put an S. So rainbows. So that's for nouns. Now what about verbs? Well, verbs are actions. They are feelings that you have inside of you, or it can be a state. So when you talk about something, when you want to say something that is true, that you look at or see. So let me give you some example. I think the hardest one to understand is state. The best way is to look at some sentences. So for action, the bear jumps up and down. So jump is the verb. It's something that he is doing with his body. Same picture. For feeling, the bear feels happy. It's something that is happening inside of his body. His feelings are happy. But you can also say is. And if you remember what is, it's the be verb. All right? So that famous be verb that we always talk about is super important. And it's also used for state. So if you look at this bear, you can say the bear is green. Something that is true about the bear. We look at him, we see the color, and it is green. So the bear is green. All right, well, there you go. Nouns and verbs. Now, let's go back to our question. What is an adjective? So I will answer this for you, and then we will look at some examples. So adjectives are about words. Now, what does that mean? It means they tell you more about the noun in the sentence. Okay? So, adjectives can be color. You guys know colors. We have blue, green, orange, red, purple. All right? So, adjectives can be color. The girl is wearing a dress. This is a correct sentence. It's all good. There are no problems. But there are no adjectives. We don't know anything about the dress. Now, if we change it and add a color, it makes this sentence. The girl is wearing a red dress. So red is an adjective. It tells you about the dress. It tells you the color. Now, adjectives can also be size. We know sizes can be big, small, tall, or short, or long. In bridges, we also saw thick and thin. So these sizes can be put into sentences. Let's see. Here we have, the cat is sleeping. But if we add an adjective, it makes the fat cat is sleeping. So it's just an extra word to talk about the cat. The cat is sleeping is a good sentence, but we don't know anything about the cat. What can we say about the cat? We can talk about the size. The cat is fat, so we say the fat cat is sleeping. Now for feelings, okay? We talked about feelings in grammar class last week. Let's review some feelings. We have happy, sad, tired, angry, hot, cold, hungry. He wants to eat. He is hungry. And thirsty. All right, so these are feelings, and they are also adjectives. When we talk about feelings in a sentence, we will say the bear feels happy. All right, and you can see we have happy as the adjective to tell you how the bear feels. But we can also say is, the be verb. The bear is happy. Here are some more examples of why adjectives are important. So here we have a sentence, the bear hugs the bear. This is a good sentence, but we have two bears, so we don't really know which bear is who is hugging who. So in this sentence, it would help to have an adjective. The white bear hugs the brown bear. Ah, now we know which bear is hugging the other one. Another example. The rabbit loves his friend. This is a good sentence, but we can also add some adjectives to make the sentence a little better. The rabbit loves his little friend. We talk about the size of his friend, little. The bear is sad. Well, which bear? There are two bears. The white bear is sad. We add the color of the bear to say more about who is sad. In this sentence, the bear helps the bear. Well, which bear? The brown bear helps the white bear. Or you can say, the brown bear helps the sad white bear. Then we add the feeling. The white bear is sad. So we can say the sad white bear. Okay? So, what is an adjective? One more time. Adjectives are words that go with nouns. They tell you about the things that we are talking about. Adjectives can be color, it can be size, it can also be any feeling, but that's not it. There's many, many more that we will talk about one day, but not today because that would be too much. So, just remember that adjectives can be lots of different things, but they always talk about nouns. Okay? So, I hope this helped you understand what is an adjective, or sometimes I will just say ADJ because it's a little shorter. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for all your hard work. See you tomorrow. Bye!